The fundamental duties of the citizens of India. The fundamental duties of citizens were added to the Constitution by the 42nd Amendment in 1976, upon the recommendations of the Swaran Singh Committee that was constituted by the government earlier that year. Originally 10 in number, the fundamental duties were increased to 11 by the 86th Amendment in 2002, which added a duty on every parent or guardian to ensure that their child or ward was provided opportunities for education between the ages of 6 and 14 years. The other fundamental duties obligate all citizens to respect the national symbols of India, including the Constitution, to cherish its heritage, preserve its composite culture, and assist in its defense. They also obligate all Indians to promote the spirit of common brotherhood, protect the environment and public property, develop scientific temper, abjure violence, and strive towards excellence in all spheres of life. In case of violation of fundamental duties enshrined in the Constitution by a citizen including the President, Vice President, Speaker, Parliament members, state legislative members, etc., it amounts to contempt of the Constitution, which is punishable under Prevention of Insults to National Honor Act 1971. The Supreme Court has ruled that these fundamental duties can also help the court to decide the constitutionality of a law passed by the legislature. There is reference to such duties in international instruments such as the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. And Article 51A brings the Indian Constitution into conformity with these treaties. The fundamental duties noted in the Constitution are as follows. It shall be the duty of every citizen of India. Number 1. To abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. Number 2. To cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom. Number 3. To uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India. Number 4. To defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. Number 5. To promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic, and regional or sectional diversities. To renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of woman. Number 6. To value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. Number 7. To protect and improve the natural environment including forests, lakes, rivers, wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures. Number 8. To develop the scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform. Number 9. To safeguard public property and to abjure violence. Number 10. To strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity so that the nation constantly rises to higher levels of endeavor and achievement. Number 11. Who is a parent or guardian to provide opportunities for education to his child, or as the case may be, ward between the age of 6 to 14 years.